Did your CentOS 7 server just throw a cannot resolve host error when you tried to run a simple yum update? You are definitely not alone. I'm DeMars, and today we're going to get your package manager back online, and more importantly, talk about why the quick fix might actually be a ticking time bomb for your server. If you're seeing this error, here's what's really going on. CentOS Linux 7 reached end of life on June 30th, 2024. After that, the old mirror list service that CentOS 7 repo files rely on stopped being available for CentOS 7, so Yum can't discover mirrors anymore. When your server tries to fetch updates, it calls out to mirrorlist.centos.org, and that request goes nowhere, so the whole update process fails. The quickest workaround you'll see in forums is to point CentOS 7 to the CentOS Vault, which is the archived repo for end-of-life releases. The key is that most CentOS 7 repo files use a mirror list equals URL, and that's what's failing. So the workaround is to disable mirror list equals and switch the repo to a base URL equals that points at vault.centos.org instead. Once you do that, Yum can pull packages again, and the error goes away. Congratulations, Yum works again. But here's the massive catch. Here's the trap. The CentOS Vault is an archive. It's frozen in time, meaning it does not receive new bug fixes or security updates. So yes, Vault gets Yum working, but it also locks your server to an unpatched operating system. Every week that passes, more vulnerabilities are discovered in the software you're running, and you're not getting fixes. For example, in mid-2025, new pseudo vulnerabilities were disclosed. One of them, CVE 2025-32462, can get a local user bypass host-based pseudo rules in certain configurations, and the companion issue, CVE 2025-32463, was rated critical in many advisories. If you're stuck on Vault, you're not receiving vendor patches for newly disclosed issues like these, and attackers actively watch for systems that never get updated. You shouldn't have to choose between a broken server and a massive rushed OS migration that breaks your application. That's where TuxCare comes in. We offer Endless Lifecycle Support, or ELS, for CentOS 7. Instead of pointing your system to a frozen archive, you run a single script that registers your server and switches it over to TuxCare's secure, actively maintained repositories, so you can keep receiving ongoing security patches through your normal Yum update process. Click the link in the description to learn how you can lock down your CentOS 7 servers in about 2 minutes with TuxCare. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and stay secure.